In a world filled with boundaries, there exists a freedom that knows no limits. A freedom found on two wheels, where every twist of the throttle takes you further from the ordinary and closer to the extraordinary. This is not merely a journey from point A to point B, it's an odyssey of the soul, a quest for adventure etched in the asphalt and painted in the hues of the horizon. Through the highs and lows, the bends and the straightaways, bonds are forged, memories are made, and the spirit of exploration ignites like fuel in the engine. Each mile brings with a new chapter, a new revelation, a new opportunity to lose yourself in the rhythm of the road and find yourself in the vastness of the world. So, my fellow adventurers, as the road stretches out before you, remember this. The destination is just a marker on the map, but the journey is where the true magic lies. Ride on and may the road rise to meet you. Are you ready to ride?